favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath that you heard it.